2021 Dodge Charger RT. Got it on the lift. He's already got a carbon fiber diffuser. He wants a little bit more aggressive. Mid-Muffy D done about a week ago. We're amplifying the tone a little bit. We're slapping some G-Packs on the rear, deleting the resonators, putting the tips back on there, and calling it a day. So we're gonna crank it. Let me know what you guys think. This thing should sound like a Hellcat, guys. Got the Dodge Charger on the lift, got the factory cats, downpipes, got a factory X pipe. You could upgrade that in the future for an H pipe or a Performance X, possibly a stamped X pipe. We offer that. Got the mid-Muffy D already done, 3-inch pipe on the midsection. We're just trying to amplify it a little bit more, slapping the G-Packs on the end, and then adding the tips back on there. So you do have a bunch of different tip options for this car. So we like to run the 5-inch. You got this bronze color, which is pretty sweet. You got this gold color, which will match the car pretty well, especially with this carbon fiber diffuser. It looks pretty sick. Got the blue burnt 5-inch. These look pretty sick as well. These really pop off the back. And if you have any blue trim on the car, this is the way to go. And then obviously you have the classic black powder coated. Most common tip on the 5-inch for the Chargers. Looks pretty sick. Stealth mode, baby. But for now, we're slapping the OG carbon fibers that we slapped on a couple weeks ago. So G-Packs, carbon fiber G exhaust 5-inch tips, and make it sound like a Hellcat. G exhaust G-Packs installed. Got this thing sounding crazy. They're limited production, guys, so you gotta get them quick. Reach out to us, DM us, send us a comment on YouTube, Instagram, whatever you got. We got 2 locations in South Florida. We offer the widest array of tips. So if you're interested, reach out, DM us, comment, like I said, and subscribe. Don't be losers. Subscribe.